And so how did you make the decision for this map? Because you said it's not really done yet.
Mm.
So that's interesting as well. So let's start with what your process was to make this one.
Yeah. So for this one, when I joined the team back in January last year, there already was some work done on it, so I didn't start from like a completely empty palette. I did have some previous work to go off of, but it was basically going back and forth on like what exactly we wanted from the sun, like how much of the sun. So like we have like this giant skylight in the middle right here that's doing bulk of the lighting for pretty much the center here, and then in like another space to the right, like if you were to follow this walkway into the next room, there's like a smaller skylight that has a ton of sun coming through, and then to the left over there, if you were to follow this pathway that leads you to like a hallway that has like a panel of windows that looks out into the vista where there's like a waterfall and there's sun pouring through there as well. So wanted to define basically all the macro lighting, like sun and sky, how much that's affecting the map, because like in this center space I have to do less lighting because the sun and the bounce is going to do the bulk of it, and then if I need to I can add extra bounces and whatnot.